Kumshi benta jongka campaign Keeping Our Children Safe kabashisin chisnem jongka Faith Foundation kala Pynlong ya ka Jingiaphylliew Jingmut bat ka Jingiakren kabashisngi Halor kapang kabala ai kerteng Guardians for Child Safety ha Bosco Integrated Development Society lani ka bits ha kani ka program lawan banishim benta da kinong hikai bat kinong penyat school kabapai khmat Halor kapang pedeng kabak menta usnem kabalong a safe child is a happy child ha ka jing ai jingkren jongka ka Agatha ke sangma kabalong ka chairperson jong ka State Commission for Protection of Child's Right kala kren Halor ki jingtieng ha ka bayadai bat ki kamsha bat bor ki Khynnah bat ka jingsha kentat nakalyang jong ki kimi ki pang kani ka senjam kabalami nakapang pedeng My Safe Space campaign kaba arsnem minchwa kalayai beteng ban prang ya ka jingdon kam jong ka Jingshngain ki Khynnah bat kilat ai jingyada.
I have realized that there is so much stigma which is attached to the concept, to the idea of child sexual abuse. But often parents ignore it, parents shrug it and pretend it's not happening. Because according to data, they say that almost about 90% of the child sexual abuse that actually takes place happens within your own families. You know, I mean, the abuser will be somebody who is known to the child.
Kisang palpa baper hari rom garo